Let's explore a different India, Andaman Islands.
So this is our stay, Hotel Mount View Pristine in Port Blair. Let's see how is it. So this is our stay for the day. So after lunch we are heading towards the sightseeing, Cellular Jail, and towards the beach also. So let's see weather is pleasant today. So look at the road conditions, and there's not much traffic. Like first visit to Zonal Anthropological Museum, 20 rupees entry ticket for adult. Andaman Cellular Jail. So this is how it looks like outside. And entry ticket is 30 rupees for adult, foreigners 100 rupees. Prisoners' life in jail. Look at this. And if they're not able to perform their daily duty, this would be the punishments by own Indians, and there's a further punishment for some period of time. Inside of the Cellular Jail, just to walk around Cellular Jail area. Look at the construction, how strong it is. Even now, it's very tough to break. Second floor of the Cellular Jail. From top, how jail looks like. Good morning from Port Blair. The second day today is our cruise day. We are going to Havelock Island. This 4:45 now. We have the ship around 6:30. So we are leaving now, and let's see how is the beach destination looks like. Excited. Good morning. So this is our second day. We are going towards jetty to go Havelock Island. Can you guess the time? It is just around 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock and 10 minutes now. How is the cruise?
Nice.
Liked it? Welcome to Havelock Blue Waves Beach Resort, and this is how it is. Sam Babu, let's go. So this is our stay in Havelock. This is a super deluxe room, and in the Blue Wave Resort. It's very spacious actually. It can accommodate many people as well, I feel. And yeah, this is also washroom. This is also quite big. From the resort. So look at this. Back side is the beach. It's like a private beach. Nobody else is there. You can come at any time. It's a daylight time.
No much sun, but it's really good. Exploring Havelock. This is now around 1:30. We are going towards Radhanagara beach for lunch and evening sunset. So this is the Radhanagara beach parking area. I could see some small restaurants to eat, and we wanted to have some veg food. So skid is there. Let's see how is it. And we heard there is no restaurant exactly at the beach because of cleanliness, and no alcohol also, unlike Goa. Let's see. Radhanagara beach, Havelock Island. You could see water has gone so far away since the evening because of low tides. This is popular for the sunset. Prevention is better than cure. So this is the Radhanagar beach in Havelock Island. There is no restaurant, no any shops, no alcohol, nothing. So it's just nature. You're not allowed to take anything. So you cannot find any much plastics here. Running in Havelock Island. Short run. Look at here. Here are no much people, and if you want to enjoy the same view, you can come this side of Radhanagar beach. So this is almost end of Radhanagar beach. You could see some rocks there, and look at the sunset. Sun is bright now.
In Papa Elladra? Baba, in Papa Elladra? Elladra, odi.
One of the best to drink here, tender coconut, 50 rupees, very sweet compared to Bangalore. It's both in quantity as price well much cheaper. Good morning. So sun is already up, but unfortunately I couldn't see the sunrise today. And yeah, see water, how much it has gone away. I'm on the beach side, and water is moved at least some 50 to 60 meters. So now I'm going to experience some adventure activity, scuba diving. From scuba. How was it? किधर गेले तो?
लाइक इतने लिया मैंने मस्त दाखल है मुक्कर घंटे छोड़ दाखल है
भैया माले कर दूँ आने दो लोग could see this elephant beach in the Havelock Island. You could see no much water, no much people. It's very crowded otherwise. Almost 3 o'clock all our activities will over, and now we're going to winding up to go back to their stay or something. It's a reserved forest area. You cannot go or stay here further. So it's a nice place.
ಇರಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಲಿ.
Time to step out of resort now. Nice place. You can come and stay, just relax here nearby beach property. Restaurant food also good. We tried only vegetarian, but it was worth staying here. This Kalapathar beach, and a lot of jungle around beach. Very blue water I could see here, and very well maintained, very clean, no much crowd. Also you could see a lot of things to travelers, tourists. You can just come and relax. No plastic allowed, no restaurants, no alcohol. So this I feel one of the cleanest or good beach in India. You could say Radhanagar beach is a little crowded, but here, yeah, it's very clean. This is a stay for next 2 days. It's a very basic stay. This place is 50 kilometers from Port Blair, and there's a checkpost is there. You have to come and wait till 5:45. Once the checkpost opens, and along with the police security, it will be allowed to go vehicles. A lot of vehicles standing. We reached around 4:15 here. So you have to come and wait. There are some shops available. You can have basic breakfast or some coffee tea. Very right. You can see the bus also. We are on the way to limestone caves, Baratang Island. Small trek of 1 kilometer, and our first boat, and we got no much people now.
एंड पॉइंट्स है यहाँ पे टोटल 2004 पे जब सुनामी आई तो जो वेस्ट
So we're back to Port Pirie Airport now, and to summarize the experience in Andaman Island, covering the islands and other important places. A must-visit place for all Indians. India is not only from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, so there's a points in the other side also. So this is our coordinator. We can contact him also. I will mention the name, Mr. Alok. So that's it for this trip.
If you like nature places and untouched beaches, Andaman is a perfect destination.